Hello guys, this is Toby Baboy, and this is his best friend, and this is me, a black lady. Kamusta? Say kamusta. Okay, you translate Bob? Translate English to our language. How are you?
Kamusta?
Did you eat?
Kamusta na? No.
Yeah, it's correct.
Oh.
Go to sleep.
Tulog na.
Good morning. Morning, boo. Okay.
Wait.
What?
Magandang hapon.
Magandang umaga.
Magandang umaga.
Mayong aga.
Mayong aga. Okay.
I love you.
Palangit ka.
I love you too. Oh, what else? That's it, guys. Next time again. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Kiss pa. Bye.